Unlocking growth, the importance of proactive franchise restaurant resales. Franchise restaurant resales are more than just a routine part of business. They're a strategic opportunity for growth. At We Sell Restaurants, we emphasize the importance of proactive management in this area. With many franchisees reaching retirement or realizing the business isn't their fit, resales are becoming increasingly common. Ignoring them can lead to closures, loss of market presence, and missed growth opportunities. The hidden costs of neglecting resales extend beyond lost revenue. They can disrupt operations, damage brand reputation, and hinder future development. However, with a proactive approach, these challenges can be transformed into opportunities. By implementing effective resale strategies, franchisors can ensure seamless transitions, maintain market share, and enhance brand visibility. Don't let hidden costs hold your brand back. Embrace proactive resale management to sustain and grow your franchise. Download our franchise resale checklist today and take the first step towards securing your brand's future.